Imagine attending one of the world's most famous automotive shows and being confronted by a car that instantly challenges everything you think you know about vehicle segments. At first glance, it looks like a luxury sedan. Look closer, and the face, lighting, and overall presence unmistakably echo a premium Japanese minivan. This is not a factory experiment or a secret concept from a major brand, but a bold, one-off creation built by students. This is the Lexus Vellfire Sedan, a daring reinterpretation of luxury born from imagination, craftsmanship, and fearless design thinking. The project comes from Nihon Automobile College, a respected Japanese automotive school known for producing some of the most creative and technically impressive student builds shown at the Tokyo Auto Salon. For their latest creation, the students chose a 2011 Lexus LS460 as the foundation. The LS460 is a flagship luxury sedan celebrated for its smooth ride, elegant design, and powerful naturally aspirated V8 engine. Instead of refining what was already there, the students decided to completely reinvent its identity. Their inspiration came from the Toyota Vellfire, a luxury minivan that enjoys immense popularity in Japan for its bold styling, spacious interior, and commanding road presence. The idea of merging these two worlds may sound strange on paper, but that is exactly what makes this project so fascinating. The goal was not to turn a minivan into a sedan or vice versa, but to imagine what a Vellfire-inspired luxury sedan might look like if creative limits simply did not exist. The transformation begins at the front, where the car immediately defies expectations. The students integrated Vellfire LED headlights and a matching front bumper into the Lexus body. This was no simple bolt-on job. The components had to be cut down, reshaped, and carefully blended into the LS460's hood and fenders. The result is a front end that feels aggressive, modern, and unmistakably inspired by the Vellfire, while still retaining a sense of Lexus refinement. From the side, the vehicle preserves the long, elegant proportions of the LS sedan, but subtle changes dramatically alter its character. Wider front and rear fenders give the car a more muscular stance, while deep side skirts visually lower the body and enhance its presence. Large 21-inch aftermarket wheels fill the arches perfectly, and an air suspension system allows the ride height to be adjusted, giving the car an ultra-low, show-ready posture when parked and a practical height when driving. The rear design continues the theme of thoughtful fusion. Vellfire-style LED taillights bring a modern and luxurious feel, while a reshaped bumper and tasteful chrome accents maintain a premium aesthetic. A subtle ducktail spoiler adds just enough sportiness without overwhelming the overall design. Instead of looking awkward or mismatched, the rear ties the entire concept together, proving how carefully the students approached every detail. Step inside, and the cabin reflects the same philosophy. The interior remains unmistakably Lexus, preserving the comfort and layout expected from a flagship sedan. However, it has been refreshed with new upholstery, custom seat covers, suede accents on the dashboard, and a steering wheel enhanced with wood trim. The atmosphere feels bespoke and luxurious, blending executive-class comfort with the uniqueness of a show car. Mechanically, the car stays true to its roots. Under the hood sits the original 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing smooth and effortless power. Paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, it delivers the refined driving experience the LS is known for. This means that, despite its radical appearance, the Vellfire Sedan is not just a visual experiment. It remains a fully functional luxury car capable of comfortable cruising and confident performance. What truly sets this build apart is what it represents. This is not a project backed by a massive budget or a team of seasoned professionals. It is the work of students who were willing to challenge conventional design rules and explore ideas that most manufacturers would never dare to approve. The Lexus Vellfire Sedan exists in that rare space where creativity meets execution, turning an unusual idea into a cohesive, believable vehicle. The choice to debut this car at the Tokyo Auto Salon is especially fitting. The event is known for celebrating automotive individuality, from extreme tuning to imaginative concepts. Among professionally built show cars and high-end aftermarket projects, this student-built Lexus stood out precisely because of its originality. It wasn't trying to be the fastest or the most expensive, it was trying to be different. This build also speaks volumes about Japanese car culture. In Japan, creativity is often encouraged within strict boundaries, whether through key car regulations or conservative luxury design. By blending a luxury sedan with minivan styling cues, the students challenged those boundaries in a way that feels playful yet respectful. They didn't mock the Lexus brand or the Vellfire. Instead, they reinterpreted both with care and skill. While this Lexus Vellfire sedan will never enter production, its impact is undeniable. It sparks conversations about design freedom, automotive identity, and the future of custom car culture. It reminds us that innovation doesn't always come from corporate design studios. Sometimes it comes from classrooms, workshops, and young minds willing to ask, "What if?"